Oh my God! Foul ball! Thank God! Woo! Jesus, man. I've never felt happier about a bullshit call in my life.
Do you want a hug? I forgot it's the toughest thing to do. What happened? Oh, that's not good.
Look for Poncino's call there. Didn't really see it.
Come on.
Point at the bat if he said you swung at it.
Go, go.
Lane comes up with it. They're going to hold Epstein. And here come the Cardinals again. Just as they did with Epstein and Edmonds in the opening inning. A Poole swung at the first pitch with 2 on.
Right, come on, come on.
The first inning, Brandon Backey wearing a microphone, chatting in the dugout with Chris Burke.
1 out left. Come on. Strike! He hadn't been calling that shit all game. This shit is too unreal. I can't. I mean, like, this has to be a fucking dream. Oh, come on! Oh, come on! Catch it! Catch it! Please catch it! Please catch it! Woo! Sorry if that's not dramatic enough for you.